Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
Good morning and welcome to the vlog. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is gonna be a very fun day. Well, at least for me, not so much for Caleb, but we're going to get my hair done again. And I know it was like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago that I got the purple in my hair, but as you can tell, it's faded a little bit, so this hair color is a little bit more high maintenance, but I freaking love it. So we're just gonna get it touched up, and then we're gonna get a haircut and do something cool to my hair. So I'm excited, but right now I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee because we got up at like 6:30 and went on a mile run. I've already shaved a minute. I was gonna say I've already shaved a mile off my mile, but that made no sense. I've already shaved a minute off my mile, so that's really exciting. Back in the day, I used to be able to run a mile in like 6 minutes, sometimes 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So my goal is to get back down to 6:30 in my mile time. And yeah, I have to go hit shoulders later today, but I'll probably do that after my hair appointment. So I'm going to drink my coffee. I don't want to get ready yet. I already dry shampooed my hair, but I think I need a little bit more in there because it's looking a little greasy. And then my Nana was here on Thursday through Saturday, and it was so cool to see her. So there will be a Q&A going up after this video, I think. Depends. I still have to rewatch the footage, but there is going to be a workout with my Nana in this video, so I'm going to insert that right now.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Break it down like this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we
I liked it. I really did. I liked it. There was a couple things that were out of my comfort zone because I'm not coordinated. It's nice, really.
You're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Oh yeah, watch. I'm gonna walk like an old lady tomorrow, like I'm wearing thong underwear. That's how I'm gonna walk. Oh dear, not gonna be good.
Well, good job, Nana.
Oh, thank you, honey.
So that is my adorable Nana. That was her first time like ever stepping into a gym. So I think she did really well, and she's wearing the Balance leggings. I wear a small and everything, and my Nana was actually in a small. So yeah, that just shows you how versatile these leggings are. But for me, they fit perfectly, and on my Nana, they were a little tighter in her stomach area. But yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna finish my coffee, and I'll see you guys in the next footage, whatever that's gonna be, because I don't know what's next.
Dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give in to us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh.
Second time this month, ladies and gentlemen. What a life.
Off to Tampa we go to get my hair done. It is
For the second time.
for the second time this month. I'm excited. It is currently 86 degrees out. I had to take my long sleeve crop top off because I'm sweating to death. But it's always cold in the salon, so I like to be prepared. Let's go to Tampa.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong. It's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, oh, oh,
It's the next morning, and I love my hair. It is so cool. And my head honestly feels like 5 pounds lighter from all that freaking hair I had underneath. But I used to be terrified like terrified to do anything with my hair. When my hair was like super long, it was past my little chichi, so it was like down to here. It was naturally platinum blonde, so I was like, I'm never chopping my hair. And a big change for me was like shoulder length, and even then I would have a heart attack. So when I lost all my hair, I was like, you know what, I want to try different styles. So I told myself I wanted to grow my hair out to about like right here, and I'm almost there. Probably have another like 6 months till I'm, sorry, there's a mirror right here, but I have about 6 months till I'm like at that goal. And I was like, okay, we're not gonna cut the sides anymore just because you want everything to look even. But then the really weird like hair was growing out and it looked bad, and then I was like, you know what, life's too short, shave the sides, have fun, have an undercut, have purple hair. Yeah, and I freaking love it. Best decision, well, not best decision ever, but like it's in the top 10 for sure. I think though next time, I have purple hair now, I think I might try a blue. My stylist said that the blue actually stains the hair a little bit better, so this is just like a temporary color, so it's like semi-permanent. So it'll like start to fade in a little bit. As you guys saw in like previous videos, it was that really nice like lavender color. But she said that blue will like kind of stain it, so I might do a blue next time. Let me know in the comments like if I should keep the purple or if I should try blue. My biggest advice to y'all is if you want to cut your hair, do it. Don't second guess it, just do it, because if you don't like it, it can grow back, and it will grow back, and life's too short not to have some fun hair and to feel like a total badass. Because with this side little look, I can flip it over and be like, boom. I am going to end this vlog right here though. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout with my Nana. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of this like newer style vlog that I'm trying to do. I do have a question though for you guys. Like, I do need your help. What kind of videos do you like to see on my channel? I know a lot of you guys said, oh, you can film anything, but I need your help. Do you guys like the more like vlogging raw style where I'm not like doing too much, or do you like having the workouts in there, or like, I don't know, like what do you guys like to see? Because I don't know, my head's going nuts trying to plan out content. I have a lot of things planned, but I want to make sure it's what you guys want to see and all that stuff. So if you could let me know in the comments too, like what you want to see on my channel or what you like seeing on my channel, that would help me a ton, like a ton. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. See you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.
Feel, breathe in.